Alright, welcome. We're going to use the quotient rule here to find the derivatives of these functions. So y equals x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. And I went ahead and wrote the quotient rule here. We're going to take v and we're going to multiply it by the derivative of u. And we're going to subtract from that u times the derivative of v. And we're going to put all that over v squared. Okay, so we're going to start off by labeling each part here. So my numerator here is going to be u, and my denominator here will be v. Now we also need to find the derivative here of both these parts. So the derivative of u, x here is to the first power, so this is going to equal 1 times x to the 1 minus 1 power, which we're going to get x to the 0 there, and anything to the 0 power is going to equal 1, so 1 times 1 is going to be 1. So the derivative of u happens to come out to 1. On v here we have 2x minus 1, so we're going to do 2 times, our exponent is also 1 here on x, so 2 times 1 times x to the 1 minus 1 power. This is going to equal, well, we notice here we also have x to the 0 power, which happens to be 1, so 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. Now notice I didn't do anything here with the constant, the plus 1 or the minus 1, because the derivative of a constant is always 0. Okay, so both of our derivatives here came out to constants. The derivative of u is 1, and the derivative of v is 2. So let's go ahead and plug in our values here. So we have v, which is 2x minus 1, and we're going to multiply that by 1, which is the derivative of u, and we're going to subtract from that u, which is x plus 1, and multiply that by the derivative of v, which is 2. And we're going to put that over v squared, which is 2x minus 1 squared. Now we're just going to simplify this a little bit. Distribute that 1 in there, and we get 2x minus 1. Distribute the 2 in there, we get 2x plus 2. And that again is over 2x minus 1 squared. Okay. Let's simplify this. Once we simplify this, we will have the derivative of y. So we have 2x minus 2x. Those essentially cancel, because 2x minus 2x is going to be 0. And we have negative 1 minus 2. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. So negative 3 over 2x minus 1 squared. And that will be our derivative of the function y.